we start with the most awaited session of the day, the felicitation of newly qualified CAs. I'd like to wish everyone a very good afternoon to all the dignitaries on the dais. CA Nihar Jambusaria, a past president of the institute, CA Durgesh Kabra, a central council member, CA Ravi Soni, a convener of VCSE, CA Pratik Maru, a deputy convener, CA Bijal Joshi, my co-host. Heartiest congratulations to all the newly qualified chartered accountants present here. I would like to start with a small poem. सपनों की हकीकत में बदलने की कला जानते हैं हम. अब हम केवल छात्र ही नहीं, देश के भविष्य के फाइनेंशियल पिलर हैं हम. सीए बना हूँ, मेहनत की पहचान, संघर्ष की उड़ान. Request everyone to give a huge round of applause to our newly qualified CAs present here. Now request our convener CA Ravi Soni to address the students and to tell more about the study circle.
Thank you, Shreyas. Good afternoon, everyone. A very warm welcome to everyone present here. It's given me immense pleasure to welcome you all to this joyous and proud occasion, the felicitation of our newly qualified chartered accountant. Let me begin by acknowledging and welcoming our backbone of the profession, our respected seniors, the newly qualified chartered accountant, and the proud parents and family who stood firmly behind them through their thick and thin. Becoming a chartered accountant is a big achievement. It takes years of hard work, dedication, and sacrifice. A chartered accountant is like financial doctor, helping business and the people stay financially healthy. That's why people look us to a CA with a respect and trust. Our Borivali Central CP Study Circle has always focused not just on learning, but also on building friendship and bonding among the members. BCC has consistently balanced knowledge with command rate. Every year, we organize over 35 high-quality seminars to help our members stay updated and sharp. At the same time, we also encourage fun, fitness, networking through the events like indoor sports tournament, walkathon, various cricket tournament, and these events help us to connect with each other and build a strong bonding among the CA community. I once again warmly welcome everyone, and let's cheer for our young achiever, celebrate their success, and contribute to a build stronger, united CA community together. Thank you, everyone. Now I request Shreyans to start.
Thank you, sir. Now I'd like to invite our past president of institute, CA Nihar Jambusaria, to share his words of wisdom and to guide the newly qualified chartered accountants. Okay, I'll request CA Durgesh Kabra, CCM of the institute, to share with the newly qualified the activities at the institute as well as his word of wisdom and guidance for the students.
Good morning all. I think it's around good noon rather I would say. But क्या सुबह सुबह मिलते हैं जब पहली बार किसी से तो गुड मॉर्निंग ही कहा जाता है, ऐसा कहीं मैंने पढ़ा था. So since I am meeting first time all of you, I thought I must start with the good morning. Respected past president of the institute, Nihar Bhai Jambusaria, my other colleagues on the dais, the convener of the study circle, Ravi, deputy convener Pratik, and Bijal, then Shreyans, and all other core committee members who are sitting off the dais, the newly qualified chartered accountants, and proud parents of those young buddies. I welcome you all to this wonderful program which is being organized by the Borivali Central CP Study Circle of Western India Regional Council of Institute of Chartered Accountant of India. And we have made a practice over here that this being one of the largest study circle of India, having 1920 members, we feel proud inviting all the young chartered accountants who have qualified their chartered accountancy and would like them to become the part of the study circle. And the students who are working with the members of this study circle. Friends, this is something about the study circle I said, and this was founded way back where Nihar Bhai and myself was there as the founder. We started this, and today this has become a Vat Vraksh. It was all efforts put by senior like Nihar Bhai and all other core team members. Coming back to what next after CA, चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंसी के बाद क्या? CA is not a sprint, it's a marathon. आप चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट बन गए, यही काफी नहीं है, बहुत कुछ सीखना पड़ता है. बट सिंस आप सब चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट बन गए, उसके लिए आप सबको बहुत बहुत बधाई सबसे पहले. और उससे ज्यादा बधाई आपके पेरेंट्स को, जिन्होंने आपके साथ अपनी रातें एक की. जब आपको जरूरत पड़ी रात में 2 बजे चाय की, तो इन्होंने बना के दी. जब आपको पोहे की जरूरत पड़ी, उपमा की जरूरत पड़ी, खांडवी की जरूरत पड़ी, हांडवे की जरूरत पड़ी, तो इन्होंने बना के दिया. अगर ये आपकी जर्नी में साथ ना होते तो शायद आप चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट ना होते. सो बिग बिग राउंड अप्लॉज फॉर all the parents, all the parents. It is all because of them that you are there, and I would say I am also there because of my parents. Friends, तरक्कियों की दौड़ में उसी का जोर चल गया. तरक्कियों की दौड़ में उसी का जोर चल गया, बना के रास्ता जो भीड़ से निकल गया, बना के रास्ता जो भीड़ से निकल गया. और आप जो पास हुए हैं वो लोग हैं जिन्होंने अपना रास्ता बनाया. 10 लाख स्टूडेंट्स जो हमारे हैं उस भीड़ में से बाहर निकले और चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट बने. लेकिन अब आप चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट्स की बड़ी भीड़ में आए हैं. यहां से और आगे बढ़ना है, एक नया रास्ता बनाना है. सोना वही बनता है जो तपता है. एंड लाइकवाइज यू नीड टू शार्पन दिस स्किल. जितना तपने के बाद सोने को कूटा जाता है, उतनी ज्यादा उसके अंदर चमक आती है. यू ऑल्सो नीड टू पुट अप योर बेस्ट ऑफ द एफर्ट्स इन ऑलवेज एनरिचिंग योर स्किल्स, बिल्डिंग योर स्किल्स. That will only help you out. Friends, God has made all of you diamonds. કુદરતે બધાને હીરા બનાવ્યા છે. ચમકાય એ જો ઘસાય છે, ચમકાય એ જો ઘસાય છે. You all are diamonds, but you need to sharpen yourself. And once you sharpen yourself, automatically shine will come. And sharpening can only be with enriching yourself with the current knowledge, the knowledge which is required today for providing your services to various stakeholders, or if you are into the employment, then giving your best by building your competencies and performing in the organizations. So these are the things, friends. I thought I must tell you that this is a beginning of journey. You need आप कहीं पे भी पहुंच सकते हैं उस जर्नी में. सो मेरी आपसे रिक्वेस्ट है, भूल जाइए कितने अटेम्प्ट लगे थे, केवल और केवल याद रखिए कि मुझे कहाँ पहुंचना है, और जहाँ पहुंचना है उसके बारे में सोचिए. बिकॉज यू आर नाउ नॉट only a person who is going to make the balance sheet, but you are going to make the nation. You are partner in nation building. So it is very rightly said that chartered accountants, CAs केवल अकाउंटेंट नहीं होते. CA केवल अकाउंटेंट नहीं होते हैं, वह देश के वित्तीय सर्जन होते हैं. द चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट्स आर नॉट ओनली अकाउंटेंट, बट दे आर द सर्जन्स ऑफ दिस कंट्री, फाइनेंशियल सर्जन ऑफ दिस कंट्री, एंड दैट अल्टीमेटली हेल्प्स दिस इकोनॉमी टू ग्रो, दिस country to grow. Friends, I am sure when you are going to put your best of the efforts, you will get success. आपको मंजिल मिल गई है, एक आगे की मंजिलें भी और मिल जाएगी. It is very rightly said, हौसला अगर बुलंद हो, हौसला अगर बुलंद हो तो हर अंधेरा रोशन हो जाता है, हर अंधेरा रोशन हो जाता है. So I wish you all the best in time to come for your career in chartered accountancy. You have become chartered accountant, become part of the ICAI, of a noble profession and a fraternity which is being respected not only in the country but across the globe, because we are part of the largest accounting profession today. Once upon a time we were second or third, but today we are none less than anybody, any other accounting body in the world. We are number one, and you are part of the number one accounting profession in the world. So friends, this is all about the future journey which you need to take. There are a lot of things which are being undertaken at the ICAI. I am not discussing on those कि आज ही आपको कुछ डोज वहाँ के दे दूँ, क्या क्या चीज़ें हो रही है, क्या क्या नहीं हो रही है. But feel free. I am part of the Central Council. I am chairman of the Financial Market and Investor Protection Committee. I am also chairman of the Career Counseling Committee. Feel free. What exactly is required to be done for the new generation at the ICAI, please write to us. You can mail me at my email ID durgeshkabra@icai.in, and if you want to be a part of the committee, then want to suggest something at committee, then cfmip@icai.in, or another one is ccc.secretary@icai.in. So these are the two email IDs which you can use. Write me, suggest me what best can be done for the new generation chartered accountants. As far as the capital market is concerned, last year we have launched 2 certificate course. Compliance in capital market is a certificate course which will open up the lot of opportunity. Then another one is a certificate course which is fund managers certificate course with IPSA Gift City. This year we are launching 2 more certificate course, one on NBFC, another one on investment banking. Once you do this, you want to make career in the capital market and financial market, I think this is going to help all of you. With this, thank you very much for giving me a patient listening. Wish you all the best in the career. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Now I request our past president of ICAI, CA Nihar Jambusharya, to share his word of wisdom with the newly qualified chartered accountants.
The Central Council member, C.A. Durgesh Kabra, convener of the study circle, C.A. Ravi Soni, deputy convener, C.A. Pratik Maru, the 2 core group members, Shreyans, Bijal, the past conveners who are sitting here, the vice president of Bombay Chartered Accountants Society, C.A. Kinjal Shah, and more particularly, even my gurus where I did articleship are also present here. Friend and past chairman, past regional council member, Dilip Bhai is past chairman WARC, Sardul is past regional council member, Makadia Bhai again, both of them under whom I did articleship. Well, friends, at the outset, very, very hearty congratulations to each one of you and your parents for getting you qualified as chartered accountants. I know that when you appear for CA exam, it looks like as if the only last goal of life is to clear CA exam and qualify as chartered accountants. But in fact, your second phase to get another milestone begins here. You have achieved one milestone, very big and very commendable. But at the same time, the journey doesn't end here. In fact, it begins from here. And I will talk about something related to your career, which is very important because when you get qualified, you have several questions in mind. When we qualified about more than 40 years back, there were two choices, either go for practice or go for a job. But in those days, 85% of those who qualified used to opt for practice. And today, the ratio is exactly inverse. 85% go for job in industry, thinking that to start with it gives handsome salary, a monthly package which is very dear to mine. Ignoring the fact that on the other side in practice, so many opportunities are waiting for us. And today I think when the institute is conducting exams every 4 months, it will be thrice a year now. So many chartered accountants will qualify, and after passing, you may have questioned whether so many chartered accountants will have opportunities. There are adequate opportunities. In fact, there is scarcity of chartered accountants. There is scarcity of chartered accountants who are capable of performing as chartered accountants. So very importantly, if suppose at the time of articleship, you did not have adequate training, even now, if you spend 6 months or 1 year on getting brushed up, there are adequate good opportunities. Some time back, when AI was picking up, information technology was so much talked about, people felt the opportunities will dry up. We read in newspapers that some of the IT professionals lost their job. But as chartered accountant, as professional, I think AI and information technology will help us so much in performing our duties that you will perform your job at a speed which is 20 to 30 times more than the speed at which we used to perform when we qualified. So take complete advantage of it. In today's economic times, you see a number of IT professionals who have started their career as startups, and they are in the age range of 25 to 30, somewhere around your age. So make use of information technology completely and build your career. Another very important point, the Indian government came out with a statement that there is a presence of foreign firms which are regarded as big. Generally, they are referred to as Big Four. But the country requires big Indian firms. Government has given a boost to this movement, and our institute has picked up this message very well, and it is conducting a large number of meetings of CA firms, encouraging them to grow as big Indian firms. Now, when you have qualified as chartered accountants, you may not be in a position to start practice straight away, because in our time, we could start practice from home. Now times have changed. You require infrastructure, you require some capital at least to start with. You also require some training. And if you think of joining some CA firms which are upcoming, which have got the appetite to accommodate fresh chartered accountants, which have got the attitude of building the firm into a very large firm, I think you will have adequate opportunities along with such firms. So think of even that. And whatever message government has given, pick it up well. It is going to benefit those who join profession now instead of just going for service. Not that industry will not accommodate you. There are opportunities there also. But in the profession, there are bigger opportunities than the opportunities lying in service. So this was a loud message that I thought I will give. You can read even on the website of Institute what initiatives are being taken for fresh chartered accountants. So many new fields are available for developing your practice, like insolvency and bankruptcy code, ESG, risk management. Today, so many companies are facing so many risks. Some of the companies have created war rooms which are headed by chartered accountants in the area of risk. So you can choose the area where you have good aptitude, valuation, risk, ESG, IBC. You may join some firm and create this new vertical in the firm and take it forward. There are adequate opportunities in the profession, and this is time when you are waiting for the time when you are felicitated along with your parents on the stage. So I will not take longer time in this speech, but once again, I congratulate each one of you and wish you all the best in the profession. Thank you.
Thank you, Durge sir. Thank you, Nihar sir, for your motivation and inspiration. Dear CA friends, today is a very special day, a day to celebrate a big achievement of becoming a chartered accountant. Becoming chartered accountant needs three things: hard work, sleepless nights, and patience and dedications. And today you have proved that with strong will and commitment, nothing is impossible. In fact, for you, impossible is I am possible. And when you become a CA, not only you earn a degree, but you earn three powerful R, which is respect, recognition, and revenue. So respect from your peers, your family, your society. Recognition for your knowledge, credibility, and hard work. And revenue, because now your skill has real value in the world. But among all this, never forget the silent pillars of your life, of your success, your family. You owe this moment to them. With their strength is your strength, and it is a moment of pride for them as well. Please give a huge round of applause to them as well. To all the parents over here. But remember, this is just a beginning. The real journey starts now. If you keep the same energy, honesty, and dedication in your work, the next 7-8 years can take your career to new heights. And that foundation will give you success for the next 40 years. So with this, again, congratulating all the CAs once again. Now request CA Nilesh Vasa, the past convener of BCAC, to take the charge.
ગુડ આફ્ટરનૂન ફ્રેન્ડ્સ. જરા જોરથી યાર પાસ થઈ ગયા બધા. થેન્ક યુ વેરી મચ નિહારભાઈ, પાસ્ટ પ્રેસિડેન્ટ નિહારભાઈ, સેન્ટ્રલ કાઉન્સિલ મેમ્બર દુર્ગેશભાઈ, રવિ સોની, પ્રતિક મારુ, બીજલ and Shreyans for giving me the opportunity. See, it is normally said that कामयाबी मिले ना मिले ये तो मुकद्दर की बात है. कामयाबी मिले ना मिले ये तो मुकद्दर की बात है, लेकिन आप कोशिश भी ना करो ये तो गलत बात है. सो फॉर दिस लाइन, यस, ये कोशिश ही जो होती है जो हमें ये लेवल तक पहुंचाती है. एंड यस, द सक्सेस, द ड्रीम्स व्हाट यू हैव visioned, your parents have visioned, and today it is, you are sitting with your parents and you are, the feeling what you are getting, it is really nobody can explain, because the same feeling nearby ko bhi hua hoga, Durgesh bhai ko bhi hoga, when we have cleared our chartered accountancy. So now today we would like to take you again back to 6th of July 8 a.m. I think precisely it was 8 a.m. or 7:45. 7:45 I think rank holders को phone आए थे, otherwise I think 7:45 8 a.m. was the time. So let's go to that journey. I would request everyone to please come in front ना, उतना दूर मत बैठो ना please. हाँ हाँ, अगर आप रैंक होल्डर नहीं हो तो भी आगे आ सकते हो. यस, हाँ आ सकते हो. हाँ, okay. Okay, so I would request a please silence and just enjoy the moment of 6th July 8 a.m. goosebumps, including the people on the dais. We have seen this 50 times. Now we don't watch this video. जितनी बार भी हम इसको देखते हैं, एक बार तो आंसू आ जाता है. So I think for this, your feelings of your parents and students, a big hip hip hooray once. Hip hip hooray! Hip hip hooray! Thank you, thank you. Now,
नीलेश, एक छोटा सा अनाउंसमेंट मैं करना चाह रहा हूँ. क्या है कि जो बच्चे पास में आए हैं उनके लिए अपॉर्चुनिटी यहाँ तक आई है. एंड देयर आर 2 फर्म्स अभी अभी ऐसा मेरे को मालूम पड़ा है कि वो हायर करना चाहते हैं, यहीं पे अवेलेबल हैं, है ना. तो मैं सोचा यार आप लोगों को इंटीमेट कर दूं, जिसको भी एक्सचेंज करना है कार्ड कर सकते हैं. एक तो हमारे जो निहार भाई के गुरु हैं
दिलीप भाई.
दिलीप भाई, उनकी फर्म हायरिंग कर रही है. दूसरे हमारे कन्वीनर रवि सोनी जी बैठे हैं, ये हायरिंग कर रहे हैं. तो इनसे आप कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं आज ही चाहे तो, इसी प्रोग्राम के बाद में, और वो भी आपसे कनेक्ट करेंगे. आई थिंक दिस इज अ बिग अपॉर्चुनिटी फॉर ऑल ऑफ अस. यहाँ खुद चल के आई हुई है.
कृपया उनसे मिल लीजिएगा, क्योंकि अगर पैकेज अच्छा रहा तो हम लोग भी कहीं ज्वाइन ना कर लेते. Thank you. Now a message from our Prime Minister for all the chartered accountants.
वही को सही कहने वाले मेरे साथियों, चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट्स देश के इकोनॉमिक सिस्टम के भरोसेमंद एम्बेसडर होते हैं. देश के प्रधानमंत्री के सिग्नेचर की वो ताकत नहीं है जो ताकत एक चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट के सिग्नेचर की होती है. आपका सिग्नेचर सत्यता की, भरोसे की गवाही देता है. कंपनी बड़ी हो या छोटी, आप जिस अकाउंट पर अपने सिग्नेचर कर देते हैं उस पर सरकार भी भरोसा करती है और देश के लोग भी भरोसा करते हैं. आपको देश की संसद ने एक पवित्र अधिकार दिया है. वही खातों में सही को सही और गलत को गलत कहने का, सर्टिफाई करने का, ऑडिट करने का ये अधिकार सिर्फ और सिर्फ आपके पास है. हिंदुस्तान के 1.25 करोड़ देशवासियों का आपके उस सिग्नेचर पर भरोसा है. उस भरोसे को कभी टूटने मत दीजिए, उसको खरोच भी मत आने दीजिए. अगर आपको मैं अर्थ जगत का ऋषिमुनि कहूंगा तो वो गलत नहीं होगा. जितना महत्व उन ऋषि मुनियों का रहा है जो मोक्ष का मार्ग दिखाते हैं, उतना ही महत्व मानव जीवन में, अर्थव्यवस्था में आपके मार्गदर्शन का रहता है.
So now we'll, actually I wanted to show the video. The problem of a chartered accountant. Recently a chartered accountant was not allowed to sit on the exit seat पे. वो बैठने के लिए उन्होंने एरोस्टेस ने ना बोल दिया था, क्योंकि उसने पूछा था कि सर क्यों मुझे ना बोल रहे हो. तो एरोस्टेस ने बोला सर आप सीए स्टूडेंट हो ना, इसे फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट में खोलना होता है. Now we'll start the felicitation. I think we'll not wait much more time. So I would request Bijal and Shreyans to please take charge of the session.
Thank you, Nilesh bhai. So now we'll start with the felicitation. And I'll request all the core committee members to be in the front seats, and we'll invite them to felicitate the newly qualified to start. And before that, I request Nihar sir, Durgesh sir, and both the conveners.
Please come in front. अच्छा, one more thing before we start the felicitation. Photographs के लिए कोई टेंशन मत लेना. All the photographs आपको कल ही सारे मिल जाएंगे. जितने भी photographs लेने हैं, जो भी लेना है. After the session also we will have a photographer. We will take all your photographs, and you can please take that.
For photograph, you can contact Harsh. I think so. He has called everyone. So you have the number of Harsh. He will be providing the photograph to everyone.
After that, we have a lunch for all the members. So please, everyone has to join us for lunch.
Okay, so to start with, we have a newly qualified CA Sami, son of CA Payal Gada and CA Mihir Gada, who are the members of our study circle. So along with, yeah, parents, please join, please join. Parents also have to join, or entire family rather.
Entire family has to come. Yeah.
even-
Yeah. To be chartered accountant has to also come. Yeah.
And to join on that, I request even CA Kinjal Shah.
Please come. We will announce the next name also. So accordingly, you please be ready with your family.
So next we have Yashvi Mehta, daughter of Archana ji and Durgesh Mehta. Request students to please join with their parents. Along with their principal and my co-host for the day, Shreyansh. Please join. Next is Jash Shah, son of Sejal Shah and Vijay Shah. Again, I request Shreyansh to join being the principal.
If principal is also there, please join. Principals are also please join your student.
Next we have Jainam Gandhi, son of Beena Gandhi and Hitesh Gandhi. I'll request past convener Vijay Jayam sir to also join for the felicitation.
Next, I request CA Om Joshi to be ready. Proud mother Komal and proud father Raju Joshi. The name is Om Jogi. Next, I request CA Deep Shah to be ready. Proud mother Sangeeta and proud father Nimesh Shah.
I'll request Giriraj sir to please join the dais. Giriraj sir. I'll request Neha Chaudhary, daughter of Lakshmi and Nanital Chaudhary to please be ready.
Next, request Pearl Rancer to be ready. Okay, it is Pal Shah, Mother Reena, and proud father Shailesh Shah.
Please join your parents.
Next request, Ayushi, Sia Ayushi Dhruva to be ready.
I'll request CA Vipul Shah to please join. Jeet Upadhyay, son of Dipti and Yash Upadhyay. Also request his principal Shreyas to join.
Shreyans, please join. Now, next name is Simran Pathan and proud parents Anjum and Yaqub. Please come. Next is Simran Pathan. Yeah, and proud parents Anjum and Yaqub. I would request Vipul Bhai. Yeah, acha. Lalit Panchal. I would request Lalit Panchal to please come on the dais. Lalit Panchal, please come. Hello.
Next is Disha Shah, daughter of Jigna Shah and Atul Shah. Please join on the dais. Krish Rathod, son of Pinky and Sailesh Rathod, be ready.
Yeah, Krish Rathod, please be ready. I would request Shardul Shah, Dilip Bhai and Makadi uncle, please share the dais for giving the felicitation to the students. I would request Shardul sir, Dilip Bhai, please come. Next is Sejal Jain, proud parents Pushpa Ben and Ashok Bhai. I would request them to please join the dais.
Please join with your
Yeah.
family.
Shardul sir, please come. Dilip Bhai, yeah.
Shreyas, you can join.
And Makadi uncle, please come. Request Jawad Savasa to please be on the dais for the next felicitation.
Next is Dhruvin Desai, son of Rupal and Chetan Desai. Please join on the dais.
Dhruvin Desai. Next one, Dhruvin Desai. Proud parents, Rupal Bhai and Chetan Bhai. Please wait, please wait. Dilip Bhai, please, be a minute. Please. One more, one more.
So next, next request, CA Anushka and Akansha Matre to be ready. Proud parents Preeti and Suryakant.
Thank you, Sardul sir. Dilip Bhai, thank you for giving us this opportunity. Thank you, sir. Next, Jawad Vasa, please come. Twin sisters.
We have twin sisters.
Yeah.
Next request CA Yash Udeshi to be ready.
Son of Jignasa and Jatin. Udeshi.
Being twin sisters, members would like to know whether the total was same or not. The total was same or not.
Marks.
Total was same or not? No, okay.
Nilesh.
I would request Viral to please come on the dais. Viral. Yeah, please come. Congratulations.
Vasal Shah, son of Meghna and Hemang Shah. Please be ready. Viral.
I would request our advisory member Vandana Ben to please come on the dais for the next felicitation. Vandana Ben Dodia, please come.
Next is Kaushik Sapra, son of Kailash and Sailesh. Please join on the dais. And next is Janvi Joshi, daughter of Abha and CA Sailesh Joshi. Please join on the dais. Kaushik and Janvi.
We have a big Daisa. If anyone is coming with more family members, please come with everyone. Yeah, please grace the occasion. Please come.
Kaushik.
Kaushik Sapra.
Janvi Joshi, be ready. Next we have Darshan Shah, son of Neelam and Tarun Shah.
Viral. Viral Shah, please join the dais for felicitation. I would request Viral to please.
Darshan Shah. Yeah. Next we have Kunal Doshi, son of Dimple and Satyan Doshi. Please be ready.
Viral, Viral. Viral, hai. Viral, please come. Viral. Next is our committee member Viral Shah. Aman ji. Arey. Next is Aman Khandelwal. Please come this way, this side. Aman Khandelwal, please come.
Next we have Heath Vipul Shah. I'll request proud parents Jignasha and Vipul Shah to join the dais.
Vipul Shah is our past convener of our same study circle.
And also a core committee member.
Committee member Vipul Bhai, please come.
Vipul, please.
Aman, please come.
Next we have Hitavi Nilesh Shah, daughter of Hetal and Nilesh Shah. Please be ready.
Please.
Congratulations. Hetali Shah, please be ready. Next we have Mihir Ramesh Busa, son of Mital and Ramesh Busa.
I would request Lalit Panchal to please come on the dais. Please come.
Next is Ayushi Pujare, daughter of Geeta and Pravinji. Please join on the dais.
I would request Karan and Sandeep bhai. Anyone, please come this way. Yeah.
Ayushi Pujari to be ready. ये नहीं आया. So next request Ankita Prajapati to be ready.
Yes. I would request Sandeep bhai to please do the felicitation.
So CA Ankita Prajapati, proud parents Sanju and Rajesh Prajapati.
Please.
Next request Miksha Sheth to be ready.
I would request Karan to please come this side. Karan, please come.
Proud parents Sharmishta and Rajesh Sheth.
Yes. I would request Karan, our member, to do the honors, please, for the next felicitation.
CA Miksha Sheth. Next request CA Vidhi Shah to be ready. Proud parents Namrata and Dipesh Shah.
Next. Yeah. Please come.
CA Vidhi Shah.
CA Vidisha, and I'll request Principal Vipul Shah to join the
Yeah.
dais.
Next one after this is Sonika Gajaria, proud parents Namrata Ben and Dipesh bhai. The next one is Sonika Gajaria, proud parents. I would request Bijal to do the honors, please. After this is next one is Dhwani, CA Dhwani Jain. Proud parents Ambolika Ben and Rajesh bhai. Please come near the dais. Okay. Proud parents Rama Mohan, please come. Please join with Sonika. Yeah, please come. Next one, Dhwani, please stand near the dais. You are the next. Yeah.
Next request CA Mansi Rojasra to be ready. Proud parents Yogita and Deepak Rojasra. Next request CA Nidhi Zaveri to be ready. Proud parents Kavita and Kamlesh Zaveri.
I'll request Paskanjan Nilesh Vasa to join on the dais. Next we have Milan Parmar, son of Lata and Ramesh Parmar. Please come in front. Next we have Janvi Jain, daughter of Anita and Praveen Jain. Please come in front with the family. Next, Aditya Vyas, son of Mamta and Kuldeep Vyas. Please come in front. Next, we have Manoj Inogula, son of Lakshmi and Malesh. Please come in front. Aditya. Manoj. Yeah, please. Manoj. Next, we have Roshan Nayak, son of Vidya and Vishwanath Nayak. Please join. Bhavik Thakkar, son of Alka and Mukesh Thakkar, be ready.
See, I would request when we are felicitating any student, I think everyone deserves an applause. At least we should have a big round of applause for each and every student. Yeah. Next one is
Manoj.
yeah.
After
Everyone,
after
please
Manoj.
come. Next one is Manoj, CA Manoj.
Roshan, be ready. Roshan. After that, we have Bhavik Thakkar, son of Alka and Mukesh Thakkar.
Yeah. Next is CA Roshan. Please come. A big round of applause for CA Roshan, sir. Yeah.
Next, we have Prachi Katkoria, daughter of Sandhya and Pradeep Katkoria. Please be ready.
I would request now Shreyans to please do the honors.
Next, we have Neha Tiwari, daughter of Mithilesh and Mata Prasad Tiwari.
Yeah. Next is CA Neha Tiwari. Prachi, yeah. CA Prachi Katkoria, please join the dais. Yeah. Next is CA Prachi Katkoria. A big round of applause for CA Prachi. Yeah. After that, CA Neha Tiwari, proud parents Mithilesh Bhai and Mata Prasad. Please join us. Yeah. See, all the new chartered accountants, please wait here. We will have a group photo after this for all the new chartered accountants. So please don't go anywhere. Yeah. Next is Neha Tiwari. Please come. CA Neha Tiwari. Yeah. I would request Vijay sir to please come. Next is CA Aditi Bansali, proud parents Varsaben and Ketan Bhai. A big round of applause for CA Neha. And next one is CA Aditi Bansali. She is there? Yeah, CA Aditi Bansali. Proud parents Varshaben and Ketan Bhai, please join us the dais. A big round of applause for CA Aditi. Next one is CA Madhav Mehta. Proud parents Usha Ben and Jitendra Bhai. CA Madhav Mehta. Is he there? No. Okay, fine. Somebody from CA Madhav Mehta's family or principal, if he's there? No. Next one is CA Rushabh Seth. Proud parents Vibha Ben and Jignesh Bhai. CA Rushabh Seth. I would now request Bijal, please do the honors. Aman, Karan, you can just join. Now there is only one name remaining. CA Rushabh Seth. Yeah. I would request Kinjal Bhai to please join the dais. Please come. The last one, CA Bhumi Gandhi. Proud parents Bhavna Ben and Hitesh Bhai. CA Bhumi Gandhi. Fine. Please come. I would request CA Bhumi Gandhi and his brother to please join the dais for the felicitation. Yeah. I think we have covered everyone. Anyone is still left? Anyone is still left? Okay. You're left. Please come. Please come. Please come. Your name, please? Manav? Yes. What's your name? Shubh Mehta. Okay. If your moment is not there, we will get it done. Just do the felicitation. Hello. Yeah. A big round of applause for CS Shubh. Yeah. Yeah. Now I would request all the newly chartered accountants to please come on the dais. All the newly chartered accountants with their mementos, Pen stand they can keep over there, but mementos, they please come with the mementos. Yeah. And I would request the whole core committee, advisory, and all the members of BCSE to please join us on the dais with all the newly chartered accountants. Please come. चलो नीचे जिसको बैठना है नीचे बैठ जाओ, ऊपर ऊपर बैठ जाओ. ठीक है. दिखेगा नहीं दुर्गेश भाई. See, those who are at good height, please come on the back side. Back side. Those who are good height, please come on the back side. चलो આવી જાઓ બધા આવી જાઓ. ચલો.
Check, check, check.
આગળ વયા જાઓ ચલો. Come in front. Yeah. Everyone will get photographs, please. एक मिनट वेट। अभी जिन्होंने 1 महीने पहले सीए क्लियर किया है वो लोग सब आ जाइए नीचे। जिन्होंने 1 महीने पहले सीए क्लियर किया है वो नीचे आ जाइए, बाकी सब रहिए इधर। हाँ, न्यू चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट प्लीज बी देयर। आई वुड रिक्वेस्ट कमिटी प्लीज कम डाउन। नाउ प्लीज प्लीज चलो, ओनली सीएस। देयर इज प्लेस ओवर देयर ऑल्सो। इधर भी बैठ जाओ नीचे सब। इफ समबडी वांट टू कम ओवर हियर, इधर आना है आपको। Everyone should be visible, huh? Please check it that everyone is visible. 1 minute. So your face is not coming. Yeah. थोड़ा इधर आ जाओ ना, बीच में आ जाओ। अगर उनको बैठना है तो प्लीज कम। हाँ, everyone should be visible. Yeah. हाँ, there is one more question also to all the new chartered accountants. Please wait over there. Okay, wait. Now for all the new students, we have a lucky draw. The lucky draw prize is latest iPhone. Okay, the lucky draw prize is latest iPhone. It will be given to only the person. मैं जो question पूछूंगा उसका आंसर जो फिंगर रेस करेगा हम उसको दे देंगे iPhone. Okay, the only one question, इसमें से किसने रीचेकिंग के लिए दिया है? जिसने भी रीचेकिंग के लिए दिया होगा उसको iPhone मिल जाएगा. Okay. So, okay, now we will carry forward this iPhone to next time. Okay, thank you. Now you can take photographs. Photographer, भाई जिसको फोटो लेना है दे देना. Sir, iPhone माटे नहीं नाकता भाई.
CSE, they can register on our website and take a refund of 1,000 rupees. So newly qualified, 1,000 rupees discount would be given straight away.